Hi guys, I'm Sai Manjrekar and you're watching me on Filmy Beat. I can wake up and eat Chinese. I can eat Chinese in my sleep. I can eat Chinese, talking, walking, sitting, sleeping, everything. I can eat Chinese everything.
You just reminded me of Amitabh Bachchan.
Why?
वो English वाला उनका dialogue है ना,
I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
So are you even guilty of asking the pani puri wale bhaiya के पास extra
Extra
sukha puri at the end?
Yeah, always. I don't ask for one extra. I ask for a plate of sukha puri after. So I eat a plate of pani puri and then a plate of sukha puri. Personal life, I mean, I don't have much. Maybe that's why I don't talk about them. I just like to work. I want to wake up every day and go to work. And I have my set of friends. We're like a tight-knit group that have been together since we were born.
Yeah.
Crawling together, honestly. I don't like partying. It's not about anything else. Not for any Bollywood, not Bollywood, home, relative, any party. I just hate partying. I don't enjoy going to a club where आधी चीजें आधे लोग दिख नहीं रहे मुझे. Then to talk to someone, you have to scream at the top of your voice. I was like, अरे यार dinner पे मिलते बातें करते फिर आके डिक्की करो.
Correct.
Like I just don't understand the point about party.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Beats चाट पे चर्चा. This is मुर्तजा इकबाल और मेरे साथ एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस है जो मैं कहना चाहूंगा औरों में दम था कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं, बट इनकी परफॉर्मेंस में बहुत दम था. Well, it's Sai who is here with us today. Hi Sai, welcome to Filmy Beats
Thank you.
चाट पे चर्चा.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the conversation.
Yes.
It's lovely.
So of course I would, as I said, कि औरों में दम था कि पता नहीं, but आपकी परफॉर्मेंस में दम था. Each and every review has praised it, and I have not watched the movie yet. But जो मेरे मीडिया फ्रेंड्स हैं जितनों ने भी देखा है, they have told me that Sai is amazing.
Thank you.
तो
Thank you.
वो
That's so
सुन के
sweet.
कैसा फील होता है?
बहुत heartwarming लगता है कि you know when you put in so much effort into a film and you put in so much hard work, so much passion you worked with, and it's a product of love.
Yeah.
And when that gets love back, it's just the best feeling in the world. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Like अभी तक जैसे मैंने कहा कि रिव्यूज सारे पॉजिटिव है, पर अभी तक कोई ऐसा कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो कहते हैं ना, like it's the best compliment for you.
Ooh. I'm gonna compliment my parents. वो US में थे
हाँ.
जब फिल्म आई तो they watched it there. So I was up till 3 a.m. to listen to their review, and they've called me and said, "You've done a good job." So I think that was the biggest compliment for me.
Nice. And of course महेश sir praising तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती होगी.
Honestly.
So you know, movie has not done that great business at the box office.
Mm-hmm.
How do you tackle failures? या कहीं होता है कि you go in your own zone कि अरे मैंने इतनी मेहनत की थी, praises भी मिले, performance को box office में नहीं चली. You have those kind of thing where you're like okay मैंने तो अब कर दिया, अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, absolutely not. You obviously feel for it because you spend so much time with the people that are making it.
Yeah.
So you feel for them and you obviously just you feel a little bad, but I think then eventually you move on because what else can you do? So I feel like things happen. Just deal with them. Move on.
Correct. So of course we are doing chat page. I want to know what is your go-to food? Like you know कहते हैं ना कि ये बस ये खाना मिल जाता है, I'm like best.
घर का. Whatever they make at home is my favorite. And if not that, then on most days Chinese food. I can wake up and eat Chinese. I can eat Chinese in my sleep. I can eat Chinese, talking, walking, sitting, sleeping, everything. I can eat Chinese everything.
You just reminded me of Amitabh Bachchan.
Why?
वो English वाला उनका dialogue है ना,
I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
But yeah, I love Chinese food.
Yeah. Do you cook?
I do very well.
Or what do you like? ऐसे क्या है जो best ऐसे कि भाई किचन में आएंगे तो ये हाथ का खाएंगे साई के तो मजा आ जाएगा.
According to my friends, I make the best butter chicken.
हाँ.
Like they've eaten a lot of butter chicken in their lives, and when they called mine the best they've eaten, I was like, okay, validation मिल गया. And I know that I make the best chocolate cookies. So these two things. So whenever people are coming over and maybe like you know mom and dad not in town, so I'll take it upon myself to cook and cook these two things.
So when are we getting to eat the chocolate cookies?
If you asked me today, I would have gotten them for you because the dough is ready.
Oh.
It's always ready in my fridge. I
यार
always
I
keep it
missed
ready.
it. That is such a bad luck that I have.
Next time, I'll get
Next time पक्का.
Hmm.
So you know of course I would like to know कि ये तो हमने मैंने बोल दिया कि पकाना आता है ये सब चीजें. चाट की अगर मैं बात करूं तो राइट नाउ वी आर हैविंग सेव पूरी एंड भेल पूरी, बट अगर इन दोनों को छोड़ के कुछ और फेवरेट है?
पानी पूरी. That is pretty basic.
बट ऐसे
Even
रास्ते
yours,
पे
ना?
लाइक जाके खाया है ऐसे भैया पानी पूरी दे दो वाला टाइप?
हाँ मतलब
मतलब यू नो ऑफ कोर्स यू आर अ स्टार किड, तो वो कहता है ना कि भाई वो पीपल हैव दैट माइंडसेट कि अरे ये कहाँ जाके
नहीं,
रास्ते
मैं
पे
बताती
खाएगी.
हूँ. My favorite पानी पूरी place was within Khar. You know those clothing stores are there
हाँ
that sell a lot of kapda?
हाँ, लिंकिंग रोड.
नहीं, Khar.
ओके.
I don't know exactly the road. It's where the old China garden used to be
हाँ
there.
हाँ हाँ.
There is a pani puri wala. It is the best pani puri I have eaten in my entire life, and I don't take my words back. I have eaten it since I was a baby. My mom used to take me there. खा के हम वटक लेते थे. So I think that is the best pani puri place ever. And my other favorite, I don't know if it counts as chaat. Does Chinese bhel count as chaat?
या कर सकते हैं
Chinese bhel. I love
बिकॉज
Chinese
जो
bhel.
चाइनीज भेल बनती है वो चाइनीज भेल की चाइनीज वाली नहीं होती,
हाँ,
हम
वो
इंडियन ही
हमारी ही
लाते हैं.
होती है. वो
हाँ
हमारी ही होती है. I feel like we've Indianized it to ours now.
करेक्ट. यू नो ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज, जैसे मैंने कहा कि लोगों का एक माइंडसेट हो जाता है कि ये स्टार किड है तो ये नहीं करेगी वो नहीं करेगी. हैव यू फेस्ड एनीथिंग कि यू नो लोगों को देख के आपको सरप्राइज हो गया हो कि अरे यू नो शी इज अ स्टार किड बट ये ऐसा भी कर लेती है, ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ है आपके साथ?
I feel like everyone I've met at the end of the day has been very normal because I've realized आप कितना ही protective हो सकते हो
राइट.
in certain situations. Like sometimes when I was younger, I had a couple of friends. Yeah, I know some people who are not star kids, and I've seen a completely different side of them. But like, I've never eaten street food, and I was like, huh? I was not allowed to eat street food. So it's not a star kid, not star kid thing. It's a parent to parent thing, depending on how they
Yeah.
want to raise. And I think that's okay. It's everyone's choice of how they want to raise their kids. And like some people are a little more protective about, you know, immunity,
Yeah.
this, that, other. हमारे पेरेंट्स थोड़े बिंदास थे, like खा लो
खा
तो
लो.
खाना है. तो ठीक है, I think everyone teach their own.
So are you even guilty of asking ये पानी पूरी वाले भैया के पास extra
Extra
सूखा
sukha
पूरी at
puri?
the end?
Yeah, always. I don't ask for one extra. I ask for a plate of sukha puri after. So I eat a
Ah.
plate of pani puri and then a plate of sukha puri.
Yeah, ये plate of सूखा पूरी तो मेरा भी है.
But sukha puri only tastes nice after pani.
हाँ, that is also there. But even
Really?
मैं तो extra मांग ही लेता हूँ, दे ही दो एक.
हाँ, with extra masala and I ask them to put a little pyaz
Save
in
and
it.
all the things, yeah.
It's amazing. Have you tried pani puri with pyaz?
No, you know, you are the second person telling me this. I have done this show with one more actor, Priyanshu Penyuli, from Mirzapur. So even he told me कि पानी पूरी with प्याज, and I was like नहीं,
Yeah,
मैंने
so
नहीं try किया.
in that bowl, na, you take a little pyaz on the side and then they give you pani puri, you put a little pyaz on top and you eat it. It's the best.
I have to try this now.
Yeah, it's amazing. You have to.
Right, correct. You know, Sai, one thing, of course, we come to know about the movies that you are doing, announcements and everything. But one thing that has guarded is your personal life. We don't know if she's single, she's dating someone. What's the status? We don't know anything about it. She's like, मैं चाट की प्लेट उठा के मारूंगी इसको, इसने मुझे ये
नहीं,
सवाल
नहीं.
किया है.
Right now, my only commitment is to my career. I can tell you
अच्छा.
that much. And personal life, I mean, I don't have much. Maybe that's why I don't talk about them. I just like to work. I want to wake up every day and go to work. And I have my set of friends. We're like a tight knit group that have been together since we were born,
Yeah.
crawling together, honestly. And that's never changed. And all of them are not in the industry. They're like lawyers and doctors
Yeah.
and engineers, and they're doing their thing. And which is why I think I don't get my personal life is not out there because my personal life is not out there. It's never
Yeah.
been out there. It's always been in my house, my home for me. So that's why I am single. Yeah.
So what kind of a guy will, you know, impress you? Please have.
He needs to love food.
Ah. Yes,
So,
then?
Has to love food.
Yeah.
Has to be a very, very kind person. I really appreciate kindness in anybody. Anybody
Mhm.
that I surround myself with has to be kind. I cannot waste energy on people that choose not to be kind.
Correct.
Has to be funny. Doesn't have to be actually. I can be the funny one. And yeah, I think that's about it.
Correct. You know, as you're talking about your friend circle and everything, one thing that I've marked is like from the time maybe you made your debut, we haven't seen you at, you know, at these Bollywood parties. Have it with hands, it's okay. Arey, it's okay, just have it with the
Very
hands, it's
messy.
okay. So you haven't seen you at these Bollywood parties. You've stayed away from that also. So is it like genuinely कि मुझे नहीं जाना है, why do I need to like scene like this way at the parties? Is it like something like that?
I don't like partying. It's not about anything else. Not for any Bollywood, not Bollywood, home, relative, any party. I just hate partying. I hate uh, partying outside my house.
हाँ.
So for me, parties have always been my friends come over, we blast Hindi music, we dance.
Yeah.
But then going to a club or trying to socialize in a party, trying to talk to people in the music, I'm just like missing you. And I genuinely don't enjoy that like vibe in general.
Yeah.
Like, I don't enjoy going to a club where आधी चीजें आधे लोग दिख नहीं रहे मुझे. Then to talk to someone, you have to scream at the top of your voice. I was like, अरे यार dinner पे मिलते बातें करते फिर आके डिक्चू कर.
Correct.
Like I just don't understand the point of going to parties. I've never understood unless it's someone I truly love and I show up for them. But parties have not been my scene.
Right. But you know, अभी kind of, I won't take the names of the actors and filmmakers, but अभी बीच में kind of एक social media पे ना एक ये debate हो रहा था कि you know, if you go to parties and then only you get movies. Do you think that is true? By any chance?
I don't know how much truth that has. I feel like it's like a very one-off chance thing. If you go to a party, probably director sees you in a different light, sees something in you that they're not seeing upon, be like, oh, she fits the part. But that can happen anywhere. It doesn't, I mean, to be at the right place at the right time is the most important thing. So if that is the right place and that is the right time, then I guess. But if it's not, then no. It's not like a hard and fast rule ki party mein jao kaam milegi.
हाँ.
It's not enough that.
So what's happening next? I think you are doing a pan India film. जिसकी shooting शुरू हो गई है. The launch was also so nice, fascinating. Huh? How has that been? You have started shooting?
Yeah, we finished the first schedule. So that's been amazing. I think I have so much fun doing movies that are shot in like multiple languages because you get like a cultural lens into so many different things. Like I understand one line in Hindi and then I'm saying it in Telugu and I'm like, this is what this means and this is how it translates. It's really cool. And the film is really nice. It's a completely different look for me. It's new character. It's a great story. So I'm just really excited for the world to see it, and they're telling it so beautifully.
Right. So anything apart from that you have signed on? And how has, I would say, how has filmmakers now, if you have got any offers after Orome has released, how has filmmakers started seeing you in a different light? Does it happen?
I don't know. See, it's been only like maybe a week
Few
since
days,
it's
yeah.
released, so I really can't tell if there's been like a stark difference. But post this, I have signed 2 more things that I'm shooting for one of them, and one of them I'm shooting for later. But both I'm very excited for.
Right, correct. Also, how does it feel? I know that it's not kind of more going into negative zone, but okay, there are actors like Taboo, Ajay Devgan, but there's very good things written about you more. How does that feel? Like, does it give you a validation as an actor and more confidence? Okay, if there are stars also, but I can shine in front of them as well.
It's not shining in front of them because they are amazing.
Yeah.
Like there's no comparison. But to be noticed in a film where there are such names and there are such performers, so to be like for someone to look at it and be like, oh, this was also nice, is something that's really hard for me because it's not like isko zyada isko kam. It's just to be noticed. It's really nice. That validation feels amazing.
Are you open to long formats like a web series or something, or you're okay with the right now doing with movies?
I really am. I really enjoy doing films. I've never done a web series, so I don't know what that experience would be like. But I am someone who's terrified of change. So I will stick to where I am for the longest time. But I think someone needs to kind of pull me out of my shell and make me do different things. And then I do, and it'll be a great experience to see what that's like.
Correct. And do you have a kind of a rapport with Salman sir that maybe you message him and tell him कि sir मेरा trailer आया देख लो? Do you have a kind of any conversations with him ever?
Yeah, whenever there's something very important in life, I make it a point to let him know about it and get his blessings. And I think that's always been there, and that'll always continue to happen because he is someone who's been my mentor. So I feel like his blessings are going to be the most important one.
Correct. So, Sai, it was lovely chatting with you,
Thank
and I
you.
hope you enjoyed this chat.
I
with Charsha.
loved it. See, I've finished half
And you know,
of
this is my third interview of the year with Sai, and I'm so happy to talk to her. And I'm
Let's
sure we're going to
go.
have more also this
Yes.
year. अभी तो सिर्फ 8 महीने हुए और 3 इंटरव्यूज हो गए, तो और 4 महीने बाकी हम और मिल लेंगे. Yes, fingers crossed. Sai, all the best for your future projects,
Thank
and thank
you.
you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.